Hi there, this is Dustin from Guys with Games, and today's game is called Code Breaker. I play this game to review the new words that the students have been learning. Today we're going to do the holiday edition because it's the holiday season. This game does involve a little bit of prep, so you're going to need about 10 to 20 minutes before class to write out the codes. Okay, as you can see in my notebook, I write down the alphabet and then I write down a number underneath each letter of it. Then I decide which words I want to review with the students. I write down that word and then I write out the corresponding numbers for each letter of that word, and that becomes the code. Okay, the next thing I do is I divide the class into about 6 teams, depending how many students you have. I usually have 2 students per team. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teams. And then I start writing down the codes. I explain the game to the kids. It doesn't take them long to figure it out. I'll usually start with a simple one so they can understand how it works. 5, 12, 6.
Elf.
Good job. Elf. So team 2 gets a point for elf, and I also want the students to practice making sentences. So I'll say, who can make a sentence with elf?
Me.
Okay, great.
The elf is living in the snow.
Okay, the elf is living in the snow. Excellent. Okay, team 4 gets a point. What I usually do with this is I usually make sure every student says a sentence once, because usually you'll have the same 2 or 3 kids wanting to make a sentence because they can't. But I want the kids who are struggling with making sentences having to make a sentence. So I make every student do it one time, and that way it balances out and everybody gets a point. Here's another easy one. 1, 14, 7, 5, 12.
Angel.
Angel, good job. So team 3 gets a point. Who can make a sentence with angel?
The angel is on top of the Christmas tree.
The angel is on top of the Christmas tree. Excellent job, team 1. Some trickier ones. 13, 5, 14, 15, 18, 1, 8. Menorah, good job, team 1. 5, 9, 4.
Eid. What?
Yes, Eid.
What is Eid?
Eid is the massive feast they have at the end of Ramadan.
Oh,
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Yeah. 23, 18, 5, 1, 28.
Wreath.
Good job. Who can make a sentence with wreath?
The wreath is on my front door.
Good job. The wreath is on my front door. Team 5 gets a point. Okay, so it's very simple. You could use this at any time of the year, and because it's getting close to Christmas and the holidays, it's nice to have holiday themed games.